いらっしゃいませ。カーテンを閉めて、ご利用のサービスメニューを選択してください。Welcome. Close the curtain and select a service menu. With the 𝒬𝓞 is a service that sends and receives. Press the button of the payment method. Make a selection from the service menu. Touch each service to see a more detailed explanation. Did you choose normal ID photo? Touch Yes to continue or back to return to the previous screen. Please insert the money. Do not forget to close the curtain to take better photos. Now choose the type of the photo. Touch the photo of your choice. Is this the right type? Touch Yes to continue or back to return to the Before shooting, read the instruction on the screen carefully to ensure the best shooting conditions. When you're ready, touch the shoot button. The shooting will start right after you touch the shoot button. 2 pictures will be taken. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now, the second shooting. 3, 2, 1. The picture will be displayed. Please wait. Choose the picture you want to print. Touch a picture on the top of the screen to change the preview. If you are satisfied, touch the Confirm button. To take another picture, touch the Shoot Again button. Before shooting, read it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now, the second shooting. 3, 2, 1. Choose the picture you want to print. Touch a picture on the top of the screen to change the preview. If you are satisfied, touch the Confirm button. Adjust the lines to the position of your head. While looking at the right position example displayed on the screen, adjust the red line to the top of your head. Align your face in the center of the screen, using the example on the screen of the correct. By using with the 𝒬𝓞, you can make extra prints and save online data on your smartphone. To use this service, the free application 𝒬𝓫𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐧 is required. Touch Yes to continue. Remember to take your change in the return slot. Your photo is being printed. Your photo will be available in a slot outside the booth. The printing has finished. Take your photos in the slot outside the booth. Remember to take your change. Please make sure not to forget anything. Thank you for using our ID photo 𝒬𝓫𝐢 booth.
Subscribe to 𝓸𝓽𝓬𝓱.